Covering cakes with fondant is one of the best ways of decorating them. Not only does it look smooth and amazing, but it also tastes delicious. But if you have ever tried to do it yourself, you may get to observe that it is not as simple as it seems. It is because we do not have the best buttercream frosting under the fondant recipe. The crumb coat, frosting under fondant. We have another article explaining in detail why you need a crumb coat, and the best recipe for the buttercream meringue frosting that Crazy Cool Cakes and Designs uses. They describe how a soft meringue buttercream is the best option when it comes to this step. So to achieve this, they do not use only butter, but a mixture of butter and shortening. Ingredients. This recipe will make a full batch of icing, but you can easily make half of it. You can also use this recipe for the filling. 1 cup of high-fat ratio shortening. 1 cup of butter. 2 tablespoons of meringue powder. 2 teaspoons of clear vanilla extract. 8 cups of sifted confectioner's sugar. 9 tablespoons of milk. How to make frosting under fondant. Step 1. Mix the wet ingredients first with the mixer. Afterward, add sugar and meringue powder. Step 2. Keep mixing until you reach your desired texture. It's that simple. However, always remember that the softness of the mixture depends on weather conditions like heat and humidity. Also, depending on the type of cake you are coating, you can either subtract or add more milk, or adjust the thickness of the mixture. Adding more liquid will make the cream softer, but be careful not to make it too watery. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.